So this is the stripping, George, you were talking about?
Yeah, I'm trying some paint stripper to see how it works compared to sanding. And I think I'm going to sand it because it's a lot.
Really?
Yeah, it's a lot quicker. See, I sanded this with a sander. And it's a lot quicker. This stripper's
gooey. It's not doing it for you.
It's not. It's all original paint, but it's just back when paint had a lot of lead in it. I'm guessing it's just not fighting in the way I'd like it to.
No.
It's doing the job, it's just not doing it fast enough. I could do it faster myself.
You don't find that stripping with chemical is safer than sanding?
No, actually it's more dangerous.
Is it?
This stuff will burn your eyes, irritate your skin, make you sick if you breathe it. Yeah, this isn't, it's working, it's just not. You can see even stripping, I'm still going to have to sand anyway.
Yeah.
So why do something twice? Let's just do it once and be done with it.
Mr. Rick, what have you got going on over here?
This is that white Oldsmobile, the engine out of that caught fire. So what we're doing right now is just going through all the parts to figure out what we're going to reuse, clean up, paint, that kind of thing. So we got the motor all cleaned up, as you can see here. That's basically it at this point. We do have a fair number of parts that are going to have to be replaced, but major undertaking is going to be the wiring harness.
So correct me if I'm wrong. Aren't you the master restorer? Yes. So what happened? What happened? We say something wrong and you got demoted? What's going on there? What's up with that?
Believe it or not, that used to actually be a beautiful finish on a car.
Yeah? That's what's left of it?
Yep, that's it.
The refuse.
That's only two doors and a deck lid.
Yeah? No.
Yeah, a lot of material.
It is a lot of material.
So.
Carcinogenic, and you're not wearing a mask.
Of course not.
What is this?
Who wants to live
what are you,
forever?
Fucking organ donor.
Yeah,
they won't even move
from something, I might as well pick it. You know what I'm saying?
That thing sounds good. God, that sounds good.
I get it out of the hole, I don't think you have a chance.
No? I got 433 gears in this.
Oh, there is 433 gears? You're kidding me. No, then it might.
I run out of gear at like 70. I'm done.
But I didn't realize this had a 433 gear.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you can take off in fourth gear if you want
Well,
to.
I just win because I'm a better driver. That's
It's debatable.
All about the driver.
So Nate, what do we got going on here? What's this?
He was having an issue with his fuel sending unit. So we replaced that with a new one, and the other one had an issue internally where it wasn't reading the right ohms. So we just had one ordered and replaced it. So now he has a fuel gauge again, and we're just going over it, checking everything while he's here.
Man, it is sweet.
It is.
It is really sweet.
About 3 months ago?
God.
It's been home for longer now, maybe 6 months now.
And it sounds nice.
Awesome. He's owned this car since 1979.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice.
It's a stunning car.
Yep.
But I forgot. I didn't remember it had that kind of gear, 433 gear in the back. I mean, it's
come out of the hole quick.
Oh, real quick. Yeah. And get up to 0 to 60 real quick.
Yeah. And not
So
light
I don't
them
know.
up.
If it wasn't a customer car, I'd race you, but but like I said, you would lose just because you got a better driver. I got a better driver.
Yeah, but there's a weight disadvantage going on here because
I don't know.
there's a whole lot of belly, and I don't see a whole lot of belly.
How much you weigh?
215.
See?
What do you weigh? 315? 350. Was I being optimistic? 350.
Let me put it this way.
Let's go up to the same rear gear.
Exactly. All right, so we got one unemployed guy and a video guy that will never come back here. I mean, that's a summary. All right, I get no respect. I feel like Rodney Dangerfield.
No. You reap what you sow.
All right, are there any other bowels that I could show you here?
No, we don't
I
want
mean,
to
yeah,
see
this is it. We're not doing gas pumps today or signs or anything. We got everybody else going on it. I'm not showing you the woodworking shop.
Yeah,
we'll have
we'll
to do
get
that
there.
some other
We'll
time.
get there.
We can't give you too many things, and now we can't get out.